रास्ते पर चलना एक बात है साइना, और रास्ता बनाना दूसरी बात। तू ना बेटा, वो दूसरी बात करने की सोच।
So, रास्ते पर चलना एक बात है साइना, पर रास्ता बनाना दूसरी बात। तू ना बेटा, वो दूसरी बात करने की सोच। Yes, the actress who stormed the country with this dialogue is with me today, Meghna Malik. Welcome to my show, ma'am.
Thank you so much for having me. And love to all your audience, and lots of love to Atlanta, Georgia.
Thank you.
सिलेक्शन हो गया। सुबह सुबह रोज 5 बजे पहुंचना डॉक्टर साहब। स्कूटर में तेल भरवा लो, आपने कहा था 25 किलोमीटर है। रोल नंबर 1 बनाएगी है,
और नहीं बनी तो बनाई दोगी, क्यों उषा रानी?
So, ma'am, your character in the movie is quite positive, quite energetic, inspirational, and everything. And it's a very inspirational thing to see a woman encouraging another, woman, your daughter. So, how did you prepare yourself for this kind of role?
See, first of all, the film is about this great legend among us, from our country, from my land, Haryana. I come from Haryana.
Yeah.
So I felt very close to the subject, and it has been scripted beautifully, and especially the relationship between the mother and the daughter, which is there between Usha Rani ji and Saina in real life. So that has been beautifully read by Amol ji, और वो ही उन्होंने अपनी कहानी में उनकी जिंदगी को, उनके वो मोमेंट्स को जो क्रिएट किया. First, it has to be there on paper.
Right.
It has to be there in dialogues.
Right.
So if she is inspirational, the reason is because they are there, they are written for me to speak out
Yeah.
and inspire.
Yeah.
So I think first is the writer, the director, and then I came into the picture, and then I think things fell in place. And I was seeing, though I've never met Usha Rani ji.
Oh, you never met her?
No, I never met her. I never met her. I was seeing her through Amol ji's eyes, and I was seeing her through Deepa ji's eyes. Whatever they told me, then I had these pictures, from childhood to now, and then there were interviews which were given to me. So she comes across as a very, very strong, very confident, very positive, very energetic woman, and that was the spirit that I was supposed to capture, and it was given to me by my director.
And you translated that on screen.
Yes. So the writer, director, and then I followed in.
Every song and every dialogue of this movie is quite inspirational. But if I may ask, so what's your favorite dialogue of the movie?
Sir, आसमां मिलेगा तो पंछी उड़ेगा ना, डाल दीजिए ना कंपटीशन में।
शक ने मन में घर मत ना बनान दे। शेरनी है तू, साइना नेहवाल है तेरा नाम।
उषा रानी जी का है कि शेरनी है तू, साइना नाम है तेरा।
Somebody who's looking like this and saying that is not matching at all.
It had so happened that first time when I went to meet Amol ji, and he told me about the subject, and I said, yeah, I got very excited and all that, and then I came back home, and for 2 days I didn't hear from his office. I said, what happened? Huh? So then after 2-3 days, then I said कि नहीं ma'am, somebody else has been finalized, and I said what? And then I'm running my head. I think what happened? So I said probably I look like very calm or composed or something like that. And I said wait, I'm coming to the office again. Huh? And I went with my chutiya and with my suit, and entered the office with like, you know, वो कहती है, साइना कहती है कि वो मेरी माँ तो ना जबड़ी है. So I entered like a jabdi woman, and that's how I got it.
Okay.
And Amolji said, "Kya re, baap re, you are the one. Yes, please."
Wow, good.
I told Amolji, मैंने कहा मैं मार डालूंगी अगर नहीं लिया तो आपने.
जहाँ सांसों ने दौड़ लगाई नहीं, जहाँ नींदों से कोई लड़ाई नहीं.
I have a phobia of singing.
Oh, really?
और मैं गा नहीं सकती. I can't sing to save my life. And I have to lip sing the song in the film.
Right.
And he said that you have these 4 lines, you have to lip sync. I said, my God, no, please, no. And then it was like, okay, fine, you have to give me the lines beforehand, before the day of the shoot. And then, you know, just give me much in advance and I'll have to prepare. And I don't know, God, what's going to happen? And they said, okay, fine, they'll be given much in advance. Don't worry, we'll work over it. And you know what happened? That day we finished all the scenes in the time that we had, and there was some more time left. And he said that we'll do the song. And I was like, you give me the lines now in the morning. And I have been busy with the dialogues and with the scenes and, you know, working on it. And it was a tiring day. And then, you know, now, no, we have to do some other day. He said, no, we do not have the location. And then we have another scene because it started to rain. So we could not do the outdoor sequence, exterior sequence. And then we had to, the stage was set for the lines, and oh my God, and then he was giving me, Alokji was giving me the beat, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and I was like, oh God, no, not me. But somehow I managed. It's a kind of a lullaby, you know, लोरी सुनाते हुए है. और मुझे क्या मालूम था कि श्रेया घोषाल and I will be lip syncing the song to a song sung by the Melody Queen. So that was a difficult day for me.
जहाँ पेड़ों का साया नदी तक है.
So you are, as you told me that you are from Haryana. You've been doing you know these kind of roles, and you perfectly get fitted into that. And this was the role of that kind, you know, a Jat, inspirational, strong women. So was it easy for you to do this kind of a role, or there were challenges to portray Usha Rani into Saina's character or movie?
See, I feel that, you know, women understand women better.
Mm-hmm.
And if they can become each other's strength and power and source of inspiration, you know, that is the most beautiful thing. So first of all, you have to capture those moments and that feel, what it is to feel strong as a woman and what it is to give that strength to somebody else. And I think it's same everywhere, be it Haryana or in America or wherever. It's the same. It's the woman's strength.
Yeah.
That strength has just to be communicated to the other, to the next generation.
Exactly. Yeah.
You know, so that if you capture, मतलब हमारे में strength की कोई कमी नहीं है. बस ये हो जाता है कि हम उसको कई बार अपनी अगली generation को, अपने बच्चों को डरा देते हैं कि ये तुमसे नहीं. So we should never say ये तुमसे नहीं होगा. If you see a talent in a child, so you just need to nurture it. उसको सींचने की जरूरत होती है बस. And as a woman, you should always be there for your daughters, for your friends, for your female friends.
Yeah,
and
I was telling Amolji that I have a daughter. So there were moments in the movie where I was like weeping like anything, because she was sitting in front of me and I was relating, you know, that scene where you hug Pariniti for the first time when she got that t-shirt, you know, India's t-shirt. And that moment was captured so beautifully. that it was in a way a moment of joy, but I was crying because it was a moment of emotion as well, and especially between a
Correct.
daughter and a mother.
I think every daughter would connect that way with a mother. So that is how I think with Saina also. It is not to do with, somebody said that she's like a mother who's forcing herself on such a small child, and it is like a overbearing mother, and very
Pulling her dream on her.
yeah, but that is not so. She it is different. It is that she knew what the child is capable of.
Yeah.
The child loved playing
Right.
sports, and then the child needed a direction.
Yeah.
Then the mother did not want any distraction for the child.
And I
And
think
wo
that's
jaise
why
कहती है ना,
also people are also pointing out that why second daughter, why not first daughter? Because probably Usha Rani didn't see that passion in her first daughter, the passion for badminton, and she saw that in her second daughter, and she
हाँ,
pushed
मतलब वो
her
उन्होंने
better.
उन्होंने ऐसा तो नहीं ना कि वो मतलब उनको भी बहुत फोर्स किया हो. There was
First
nothing
daughter को
forced
भी नहीं
upon
किया.
her.
Right.
The one who wanted to
Yeah, exactly.
and went ahead with it. वो कहती है ना कि आसमान मिलेगा तो पंछी उड़ेगा ना. So आसमान माँ समझती थी कि आसमान है. वो पंछी के लिए पिंजरा तैयार नहीं कर रही थी. वो पंछी के लिए आसमान तैयार कर रही थी.
Right.
वो जानती थी कि ये पंछी के इसके पंखों में ताकत है. And as a mother, she wanted the entire sky for her daughter, and that's what she gave her.
And as beautifully said in that song, मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनूं.
हाँ.
मैं परिंदा क्यों बनूं, मुझे आसमां बनना है. मैं एक पन्ना क्यों रहूं, मुझे दास्तां बनना है.
So let's talk about Amol Gupta, ma'am. You started your journey with him in Tare Zameen Par. I think you played a teacher of Ishan.
Oh yeah.
मैथ्स टेस्ट 3 into 9 is equal to 3. बस इसके बाद सारे सवाल छोड़ दिए. कौन मानेगा ये योहान अवस्थी का छोटा भाई.
And now after I think 15 years, it's almost 15 years for Tare Zameen Par. It's almost.
मैं तो भूल भी गई. I've forgotten. It's been so long, yeah. So many
now-
projects in between.
Now you are in Saina and you are protagonist mother. In Tare Zameen Par, you are just a teacher. And
Yes.
with this film, if I would say in a badminton language, ki smash maar diya. You are, the leading character of the movie. So obviously the journey must have been quite beautiful. What was your favorite part of that journey?
My favorite part, देखो acting तो होती है because हम ढूंढते रहते हैं different scenes and how the director wants it and whether you are able to execute the way he is wanting. Is exactly those emotions what he's wanting, because you have to go what the director wants because he has visualized it.
Exactly.
You might see the scene in a certain way, but then somewhere it is the director, so you have to bring it to the table.
Right.
हाँ 27-28 साल का ये तो था. हाँ आस्तिक नाम था. 5 ही महीने पहले तो हुई थी शादी. वो संध्या वो तो बेचारे अपने कमरे में ही है. कल से बाहर ही नहीं निकली. अरे नहीं मांगलिक नहीं है. उषा जी ने पूरी जन्मपत्री मिलाई थी.
Meghna ji, you had like 2 back-to-back release in a span of 1 month, I think. First Paglet and then Saina. So Saina mein to, you were the, protagonist mother, and you were in the center, in the middle, and the story was, revolving around you. But in Paglet, although your role wasn't that big as compared to Saina, but still you stood out. You left a mark. So how was your experience, working in a movie like Paglet?
It was a beautiful script, And I joined the film almost like at the last leg of it, when the entire cast was done, and when I heard the cast and the script, when I read it, it was just a lovely cast to work with. So we were there, and believe you me, it was almost, we were shooting like a family. In fact, I would say that इतना मजा आ रहा है कि ये फिल्म ना एक डेली सोप में कन्वर्ट हो जाए तो बहुत मजा आ जाए. We never wanted to leave the sets. In Paglat, though the situations were comic, but you have to play it because it is very innate. It is inherent in the script.
Yeah.
So it is not that you have to be over the top and create something, because it's there in the script.
Thank you so much, ma'am. I think it's been half an hour that we are chatting. Actually, this is a chat. I didn't feel at all having an interview with you.
Yeah.
You came across such a warm and nice person. So thank you so much.
Thank you so much. And you please take care.
Yeah.
Thank you so much, Namita.
Thank you.
Take care. Bye.
डरते न हो, चल वही चले, चल वही चले, न जाते हो जहाँ, जहाँ के रास्ते